Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off login request on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So if you have turned on of your 2FA on your Instagram account, then whenever somebody tries to log into your account without your permission, who has your details, you will receive a notification regarding it, right? So you can see, for example, we had received this notification 1 week ago. If I tap on it, I won't be able to access it right now, but if you get it and if you tap on it, you will directly find an option to turn it off. But right now I would like to show you the process. For that, you have to go to your profile, tap on the horizontal line top, tap on settings and privacy. Now go ahead, tap on this option of account center. Now tap on this option of password and security. Now tap on this option of where you are logged in, and now you will be able to see the devices that you use. First, choose your account and devices that you use and where you are logged in. You can select a device. Once you select, you will be able to tap on this logout and you will be logged out of that device directly right afterwards. Then if you go back and if you go to this option of login alerts and tap on select your account, and now you will be able to see the login alerts that you receive on in-app notification and or email. If you simply turn this off, then you will be able to turn it off, then you won't receive login alerts anymore. But you have to make sure it is on, so you will be able to receive it, and that you can always simply deny the access to somebody else for your account. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.